Hi everybody. Today I want to show you the Jackery 2000. It's a generator or power generator that comes in this box, and it has a lot of different features. You can use it for camping at home when you lose power for natural storm or other reasons, and it's rated to 2200 watts, and it has a peak of 4400. So it is very useful for, like, you want your refrigerator, your air conditioning, your charge your cell phone, your laptop, anything that you want to plug, because I'll show you right now. This is the generator. It is heavy, very heavy, but again, it has three different plugs, so you can plug in anything from laptops, your phone chargers, anything like that. It has right here, you can charge it from your wall unit, or your regular electricity, and it has two ports if you have the solar panels to charge it from. I'll show you the solar panels in a minute. I have them right here. But it has, when you turn it on right here, it gives you an indicator of how much battery is in and already charged, or how much charge there is in here. It will show you when you plug it into the wall how much battery is coming in, or how much electricity or power is coming in. I showed you earlier when I had it outside, when they plug it in from the solar panels, how much it is getting charged from the solar panels. I'm doing this in here because outside is like 90 degrees and like 85% humidity. So it is way too hot. It has a light right here that you can turn on just in case you are, again, without power, and or in a garage or somewhere where light is not available. And you have here two USB-C chargers, as well as a regular USB-A charger, so you can charge any device from here. You can charge the DC, or like a cigarette lighter connector here for your car battery or any other equipment that you may have, the DC connector right here. The great thing about this also is you have an app, and from your phone you can see how much battery there is left. You can also see how much battery is coming in from, whether it's the solar panels or if it is plugged. Again, depending on what you're using it for, if you're using it to cook, it might last you 4 hours. If you're using it for air conditioning, it might last you 2 hours. It all depends on the device that you're plugging in. Now, this one is the model 2000. There is a smaller model, but this is the one that I am showing you right here. And it is, as you can see, it is big. It is very heavy, and but it is, meant to be set somewhere and just distribute the energy, the electricity that you need, again, for cell phones, laptop, anything like that. Solar panels come in this box. As you can see, this one is the 200. This comes with 4 panels, and there's a smaller one that is the 100, and it has less panels. And it's like this, very easy to carry. And here you're gonna be seeing me putting it out in on the grass and on sand. It's very easy to transfer it, or it's very easy to carry it with a handle. And then you can just has the legs right here that you can open it up, and that's going to help it give it put it in the angle that you need it for best capture of the sun. And then you just connect it to your charger, to your generator. Now, the solar panel comes with this cord. It is not very long. It's only about 5 feet. So if you need more, you have to get an extension. But it comes for the plug, so that you can connect it to the generator itself, and the connector to the solar panels. And also, the generator comes with its own cable, so that you can plug it into the wall, or whatever you want to charge it from. So again, as you can see right here, you can use it for camping in your garage. Here in Florida, we get a lot of storms. We get a lot of we lose power. It might be for a couple hours, but it might be for a few days from hurricanes and things like that. So this is really, really good to have. Again, it's not something that is going to help you for a week, but it is something that is going to help you at least to not lose your food, have a little bit of ventilation. I don't think it will last enough for an air conditioning, if even for a whole day. But if you have fans or something like that, you can just plug in, and that will help a lot. Comes with the manual, and again, I'm going to show you how the app works, so you have an idea of how easy it is to use with the app and how to read it. And here I'm showing you what it looks like in the app when you have an input or an output of the generator. And I'm going to also be showing you right now how you can control the light from low to high to SOS signal. Very convenient again. Now they also have the smaller size one. This is the Jackery 300. It's a 300 watt, and you can also plug it to the solar panels, so that again you can get any kind of power from either the wall or the solar panel. Comes with this little case. It has uh, the DC or the cigarette lighter connector, and it has a transformer right here, and here's the generator. Again, much smaller than the other one. Obvious reason is, this is only 300 watts, the other one is 2200 watts. So again, you have it so that you can plug the DC right there. When you turn it on again, it shows you the amount of battery there is. When you plug anything in there, it will show you how much is drawing, or if you are charging, it will show you how much there is to charge. There is one USB-C port and two USB-A ports. Again, you have the input from the solar panel. Now, this one, you can, like I said, connect it from the wall with the transformer that is here in the back, but also you can plug it in right here from the solar panel. It is very convenient. Again, camping, keeping it in the car will help you with a jump start if you have the connectors, and helps you with anything that you may need. Again, jump start a jet ski or four-wheeler or something like that. As long as you have those connectors, there's plenty of power in here. If again you run out of power at home or anything, you can plug in your laptop, your cell phones, all those equipment that we cannot live without anymore. So you have both of them, the 2000 and the 300, different ratings for different amounts, different sizes, but both very convenient to have at home in a car or traveling. So I hope that you guys find them as useful as I do.